Hello YouTubers, today I want to talk about the Svord Peasant knives. Svord Peasant knives are relatively inexpensive. They're good high quality carbon steel blades. They're fairly simple to open and close. But these, with the plastic handles, you got to be careful with them because they can get jammed open and difficult to close, as you can see. So you got to be really careful that you don't cut yourself when you're getting it closed. As you can see, it was really easy to get that stuck open. For the ones with the metal handles instead of the plastic, they didn't put any spacers in there, so if you squeeze on them, they just bend. Anyway, I'm rather disappointed with them. Yeah, I figured out a safer way to open them. Get it closed when it's does that. You gotta manipulate this part in order to get it to open when it's stuck like that. The main thing is when you're trying to do this, you end up putting pressure on it, which gets it even more jammed. So you gotta carefully get your fingernails in there and get a hold of it while you're trying to close it. And those blades are extremely sharp. So you got to be extra careful with them. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.